Hi, my name is Herbert Livingstone. I'm the Quality, Health and Safety and Environmental Manager. I've been at Freefoam for 13 years. I joined as Dispatch Coordinator, then transitioned across to ISO Coordinator due to my environmental and health and safety background. And the role has grown and changed over the years, as the business has developed and grown too. It's a varied job and no 2 days are the same. It ranges from working with ISO auditors to comply with and maintain our accreditations, working with our production teams to make sure the quality of our product is consistent, testing materials, managing our rolling programme of planned testing such as fire systems, racking or ladders, or managing and monitoring any accidents that occur on site. In recent years, Freefoam have taken big steps to minimise and manage waste. So an important part of my job is to record, manage and improve these systems. We have decreased the waste from site and increased the amount sent to recycling from 58 to 75% in the last year, and are looking to increase that again this year. We're a small team of 2. Maya joined in February 2021 and now is taking on more of the day-to-day inspections and quality control. She's been a very welcome addition to Freefoam. I operate across all areas of the business and try to make a point of getting to know all our colleagues personally, and a lot of my work is about getting buy-in from the team members. I do the groundwork, but it's the team at the end that deliver, and having a good rapport with everyone helps to achieve this. I had a bad road accident several years ago and was off work for 4 months. Freefoam and our occupational health contractors supported me throughout and helped me with a phased return to work. I've stayed at Freefoam because it had that family feel, and even though the business has grown, they still have the same values and ethics.